Mama,
you have overfed us.
I want them.
That was the intention.
Yes.
I hope you are enjoying our village.
Oh yes, I managed to enjoy it. Oh yes, yeah, because it's not as chilling as the government house.
Oh yes. It's a government house. You mean you people have been visiting the government house?
Who do you think is the government?
You know.
We meet with foreign ministers, Senate presidents. In fact, the other day they gave us an invitation to come to the government house. Sent us a letter without an envelope. I said no.
Very foolish people. How can you send us letter without an envelope? They think they can invite us anywhere, anyhow, and we will attend. No.
Never.
Mama, don't you know that thing that happened to us in school because of our exams, it made us very popular. A lot of people now want to see us. They book appointments here and there so that they can see those people that overpassed their exams.
Say that again.
That overpassed
their exams.
You see how God changed the situation in your favor.
That is true. Anyway, Mama, if you ask me, I don't want to go, but I need to. I need to. Don't worry. I'll come and spend the weekend with you. If for this weekend, no interruption.
I'm waiting.
Legal or illegal. Please, make sure you tell Bobo to come and see me in the palace.
That is not a problem.
As soon as he comes back, he should come and see me. We need to talk.
Okay. Hey, I'm waiting for you this weekend.
Mama.
And I will definitely tell Bobo to come and see you.
Okay. All right. I have to be on my way now.
All right, my dear.
All right, Mama. I beg to take my leave.
God! Why your macaso?
Everybody come and register your case. Gone are the days when we dey fear trouble. But this time around, now we dey look for case. Our community barrister done land. Our problem don't finish here. If you dey look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister could drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court. At the time you gonna say we get barrister.
Weekend, don't forget.
This one our own. Barrister Jebelilo Nani Pukina Zana. Your fight is our fight. Your trouble is our hala. This one our own. Jay, our community barrister done land. Our problem don't finish here. If you then look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister could drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court. At the time you gonna say we get barrister. Jay, our community barrister don't land. Everybody come and register your case. Gone are the days when we dey fear trouble. But this time around, now we dey look for case. Our community barrister done land. Our problem don't finish here. If you dey look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister could drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court. Saturday, Keneka Imeregio. When you see on a journey, but it's written us with a young hand. He took away our money by force. Oh, cancel. With the high rate of tax, if you no agree, you go collect. Our community cancel Bronyo Biapona. With iron fist na they use follow us. Every day na that's you. They force us to pay more. Wahala too much yo. Jay, hey you cancel. Kene kaimereki yo. Cancel. Jay, onye si no na change, but it's written us with iron hand yo. Cancel. He took away our money by force. Oh, cancel. With the high rate of tax, if you no agree, you go collect. Oh, cancel. Our community cancel Bronyo Biapona. With the iron fist na
Yeah, Bobo. What happened to you?
I had an accident.
Bobo, this does not look like an accident. Has somebody beaten you up? I mean, the people that you've been extorting money from.
Mama, did anybody tell you that I extorted money from them? I bet she'd let me pass.
Oh, by the way, your sister is back.
I'm aware. Is it not when I was rushing home to come and see her that I had this accident? I just hope she did not come back with bad luck.
Your mouth is very bad. Oh no, keep on saying. They got you, I can't hear that you had an accident. Listen! Better go and check her out at the palace. And as you're going there, you see that money you collected? Those people that have been registering for cases that she would handle. Collect all the money and take the money to her at the palace. She will be needing that money.
Mama, just forget about that money. Forget about that money. Nothing concerns her the money I collected for registration. I've told you before. You see me with injury, you are talking of registration fee. Is it not me that run the registration?
Look at this boy. Huh? Calling my whole barrister bad luck. Meanwhile, you've been bad luck from the day I gave birth to you. Registration
Madam, we are just coming from your shop. Where is our money? I said, where is our money?
Hey! How dare you? Hey! How dare you? Hey! Is something wrong with you? Hey! Come! Have I not warned you to desist from this your criminal and barbaric act of stealing from the poor? You want me to jail you? Do you want me to send you to jail?
You this girl. You again. I can see you want trouble. Don't worry. Just wait. I am coming.
Who is this one?
You Abi? You Abi? You don't want us to carry out our duty in this market. Don't worry. Relax. Make yourself comfortable. By the time my second returns, you will have it hot. Power will jump power.
In your mind, you think you have a job. You are just a common criminal. And I will deal with you the way I deal with other criminals. Come. Hey. Madam, are you okay? Please get up. Are you hurt?
No.
I can take you to the hospital if you're hurt.
My egg.
Oh, really? Oh my God, what is... Just look at this.
See, I don't warn you. You know they say these people, if they feel say they don't go call real lawyer now. See, these people are government people. Oh. And look at, they even come with police. Hey,
you, officer of the law. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Huh? Listen, the main aim of every responsive and reasonable security outfit is to secure lives and property. But look at you, criminally doing the opposite, destroying lives and property here. Do you know I can get you dismissed? Do you know I have the power to dismiss you? Do you know that? Oh, I'm talking and you're still smiling like a he-goat. Don't worry. It's like you don't know what is coming.
Officer.
I will deal with you.
Officer, don't allow her to scare you. Eh? We are doing our job. Don't worry. By the time my second will come, we will know who is who. Power will jump power here. Not the fear. Wear uniform, you won't make person where we have another uniform come in, they scare you.
I go swear for you. I go swear for you. See, if anything happen here, I go just put this wrong come out. Can't you see that there is something in the bush beating drums for these guys? You don't agree here something?
You are a criminal. You are a criminal. And I am going to deal with you the way I deal with criminals. Trust me on that.
A community barrister don't land. Everybody come and register your case. Yeah. Gone are the days when we dey fear trouble. But this time around, now we dey look for case. Yeah. Our community barrister don't land. Yeah. A problem don't finish. Yeah. If you
hello, baby. How are you? I hope you're good. Yes, of course, my boys are inside the market collecting money. It's okay, they are going to collect more than enough we are going to use in the club tonight. Okay? Don't worry, we'll be fine. Okay.
This one now on Barrister Jebelilo Nanye Pukina Zona. Your fight is
Oga, we never even start. That troublemaker don't come again. Oh.
Which troublemaker are you talking about?
The community barrister, of course. The same girl that stopped us from collecting money from the bike men. She has come to stop us from collecting money from the women.
Is she mad? What's my business if she's a community barrister? Eh? It be like say she won't die. It be like say she won't go jail. Come and show me the idiot. Come and show me the idiot.
You took away our money by force. Oh, cancel. With the high rate of tax, if you no agree, you go collect. Oh, cancel. Our community cancel Bruno be upon. With the iron fist, now they use follow us.
People of Ezugu.
Yes.
This is our market.
Yes.
This market is on our community land.
Yes.
We contributed money and we built this market without any help.
Yes.
The government did not help us build this market.
No.
The government did not help us build this market.
Yes.
So no government official has the right to walk into this place and demand tax from anybody.
Yes.
You cannot eat where you did not sow.
Yes.
You cannot reap where you did not sow.
Yes.
It is illegal.
Yes.
Illegality.
Yes.
Illegality.
Yes.
Illegality.
Yes.
That is what it is.
Yes.
We will resist them.
Yes.
Even in the night, let them come with loads of police.
Yes.
We will show
Where is
them.
that animal? Where is that animal?
Thank
Who
you.
is that animal? Huh?
Thank you so much for coming on time. This is the troublemaker that won't allow us do our work.
So you're the Muturu Mpafu that is disturbing me. Do you know who I am?
Of course I know who you are.
Oh, Imam.
I know who you are. You are a thief.
Yes.
Yes. You are an enemy of the people.
Yes.
You are a thug recruiter.
Yes.
And they parade themselves around this market as tax collectors.
Yes.
Collecting what exactly? And you know as a councillor that that is illegal.
Yes.
Oh, you actually called me a councillor. And I am happy you know that I'm the one elected, wonderful, sweet councillor of this community. So I have the right.
You have the right to inflict pain and suffering on the same people that elected you. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Is that actually what you think? Huh? Huh?
Now listen. I don't know what they call you, and I don't care to know. As councillor of this community, I have the right to collect tax from this market woman.
backriders.
No!
And even you standing here. I didn't know the world standing here.
Excuse me, Mr. Counselor. It is very obvious that you do not know your job description. Well, as a learned gentlewoman, it is my pleasure to present to you your job description. 1, you were elected to bring peace.
Yes!
2, you were elected to bring development.
Yes!
3, you were elected to make positive policies through positive representation of the people that elected you.
Yes!
But here you are, stealing from them. Now let me ask you. The money you collect every day from the market, what do you do with it? You have not even done anything with it. You cannot even construct road for them. The road into this market is very bad. Look at their roofs. Some of them are leaking. Some of them are an eyesore. Yes, you are here every Eke market day to collect money. Who does that? I'm asking you, who does that?
Is it your business?
Of course it is my business.
Are they complaining?
Yes, we are complaining.
It is my business because these are my people.
Yes!
I am their lawyer.
Yes!
You have gagged them enough. They cannot complain to you because you have used thuggery and intimidation to silence all of them.
Oh.
But I am here today to tell you that I, Dada the Law, community barrister, will give them back their voices. So from today, you are going to hear the voices loud and clear.
Dada, Dada na nwakwa mo. Mma dakwa go n'ike.
Your Highness, if this young barrister, I mean Dada, works in this community for 1 year, just 1 year, all these atrocities and illegalities in this community will stop. Especially the one being perpetrated by this councillor, that useless councillor. All will stop. How do you see it?
Oh no, I agree with you in toto. Dada, this is our barrister. She's very brave and hardworking. Look at the way she has been challenging the bad policies of the local government. It's so perfect and good.
Hey. Dada, I pray God will continue to keep her for us. She's wonderful.
I have good news to share. Good news. I hope you people can remember that our land by the boundary near the local government council.
Yes. The one taken away from us.
Yes. That land is now ours. Dada dragged it out. Yes. Dada wrote a letter to them, warning them that if they do not leave that land, that she would drag them to the Supreme Court. And for fear of her litigation, our own Dada, they had no choice. They said, please come and have it. Please come and have it. As I speak, the land is now ours.
Hey,
Igwe, congratulations.
Hey.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yes.
So Dada is a blessing to us. And I'm sure she will continue to be a blessing to us.
That's a good news, Your Majesty. Hey, so these people can fear like this?
They can fear. We didn't know. Would they fear? Did you hear the name of the court our barrister is taking them? Dada is taking them to Supreme Court. Supreme Court judgment 10, J10. 200 years and above.
Hey!
I'm telling you.
Hey, Rapulu! You started with all these lies again now. You've had it again.
I think you
can you say 400 years?
I'll be again.
Now you wait to some.
Dada or whatever you call yourself,
I'm now asking you to leave this market now before I get you arrested.
Boss, why are you warning her and wasting more time? Arrest her immediately.
Now, by the power vested on me as the elected councillor of this community, I command you and your group to leave this market now before you find yourself in the police custody. Collection of tasks by councillors didn't start today, and it's not going to end in my own tenure. So I order you to leave this market now. Now!
And by the power bestowed on me as the community barrister, I order you to shut up and receive sense. Yes. The fact that your predecessors have been collecting tax in this market does not mean that it is right. And it does not also mean that it should continue. Yes. Now let me make it clear to you. There is an expiry date for every organized crime on earth. Yes. And the way I am seeing you today, it's like your expiry date. In fact, today is your expiry date for all the evil activities you have been committing in this market.
You're actually turning my people against me, right?
Oh, no. If they were really your people, you will not be stealing from them. Yes. You turned yourself against them the moment you started eating fat, feeling fat on their sweat. Women of Ezugu, yes. Are you not tired of being slaves?
We are tired. We want freedom.
In your own land.
We want freedom.
In your community.
We want freedom.
In your market.
We want freedom.
Built with your own sweat and blood.
We want freedom.
Oh, you succeeded in turning my people against me, right? You want to know what I will do? Huh? You want to know what I will do to you, Dada? Now, officer, go ahead and arrest this. Do your work immediately.
What do you want to do?
Councillor. You see, today I am going to teach you that the power of the people is greater than the people in power. Yes. Women of Ezugu. Yes. This councillor, his two thugs, and this shameless policeman are your enemies. Yes. Suffer not a witch to live, thus says the Lord. Yes. I want you to descend on them.
And who is the witch?
Mercilessly.
And who is the witch?
Young girl, are you trying to say that you are very sure that this young man got you pregnant?
Yes, my king. He got me pregnant and now he's trying to deny it.
And who is denying who? Greetings, Your Highness.
You are just here at the right time. Welcome, my brother.
I've been on this case for almost an hour now. And since you are here, I want to hand over the case to you. It is yours.
Thank you, Your Highness. Young man, what is your name?
Ikenna.
And what is the problem?
I was in a bar drinking with my friends. When a royal guard came, I said my presence is needed in the palace. And as a law-abiding indigene of this community, I had to run straight to the palace, only for me to get here and see this mad girl saying that I impregnated her.
And how do you know she's mad? Did you conduct any medical test to ascertain for a fact that she is mad? Do you know that she can sue you for character assassination, amongst other things, for this statement? Because the girl I'm seeing here is... she looks okay. She's calm. she's dressed well and she doesn't in any way look mad to me.
Barrister, you mustn't carry out a test on people to ascertain if they are mad or not. A lot of people, mad people, they dress well, wear suits, all kinds of regalia, but inside them, they will be saying all sorts of rubbish, all sorts of nonsense like she's saying now.
Ikenna, you know that I'm not mad. And I'm not lying. You got me pregnant. You're responsible for this pregnancy. And you disvirgined me.
Mba. Stick to the matter on the ground. We are not here to talk about who disvirgined who. We are here to talk about pregnancy. Just stick to the topic.
Ikenna, did you disvirgin her?
Is that why we are here? After all, another woman disvirgined me. Have I dragged the widow to the palace to complain?
Ikenna. Yes again. Widow. Hey!
As young as you are already sleeping with widows to fear what? Imagine.
Don't even go there. I have your history, Egyptian security.
You keep quiet. You've just confessed to us that you lost your virginity to a widow. And you are not even ashamed of yourself.
Why should I be ashamed? Why should I be ashamed? Widows, are they not human? Or on them mad are widows? Sorry, my elders. The point I'm trying to make is that we are not here to talk about how I peacefully, understandably disvirgin Chioma. We are here to talk about pregnancy. So let us not deviate from the main issue.
Ikenna, the fact that you disvirgined this young girl here is an established evidence that you slept with her. So what makes you think that a woman you slept with cannot get pregnant by you? Did you use a condom on that day?
I didn't use a condom.
Oh! Are you impotent?
God forbid.
Why then are you so sure that you are not the father of the baby she has in her womb?
My barrister, it could even be babies.
Egimano.
You have a point.
I don't trust women. Sorry, barrister. Well, what I'm trying to say is that I don't trust this girl. She could be lying. Lately, I've been seeing her with several men. All kinds of men. One of them must have donated something inside her that has germinated to pregnancy. And she's calling me.
Ikenna, why are you doing this? Why? You disvirgined me 2 months ago. And I've never been with any other man since then.
Wait. So this disvirgining and everything happened within 2 months?
2 months, so 60 days, 2 months, 2 months. Which is enough time for another man to have donated something inside her. And she's pregnant. And she's calling me because I'm a fine boy. Bugene, am I not a fine boy? Am I not a fine boy? Look at me. Am I not more handsome than your three boys? Your first, second, third.
Fine boy.
Barrister. My king. Elders. I can swear with your father that Ikenna here is responsible for my pregnancy. And I've never been with any other man since then, I swear.
Why are you bringing the gods into matters that men can handle? Men are handling the case already. Why are you bringing the gods into it? And for the record, my king, I'm a devoted Christian. And my Christian faith does not allow me to swear by anything.
And that faith allowed you to fornicate and to sleep with widows?
Okay.
Answer.
Okay.
Clever.
Since you don't want to swear, don't worry. I'm going to give you just a little assignment. Guard,
Yes, barrister.
Get me a spoon.
Okay, barrister.
Everybody come and register your case. Yeah. Gone are the days when we dey fear trouble. But this time around, now we dey look for case. Yeah. Our community barrister.
Alpha, who are you?
They employ you, do. They ask me who am I.
Oga, who are nah? Who have time for all this nonsense? Who are you?
Poor people with impatience. That is how they keep claiming they don't have time. They don't have time. Yet they are busy doing nothing.
Child, now more I kick like ballot ball. So waiting the sub. Oga, who are you and why are you here?
It's okay. Keep on. My name na Bobo.
And so?
I'm a brother to the barrister, community barrister, Dada. I'm here to see her.
Child, my man, my bad. You can go to the pool side, oh?
Okay.
You will see a maid there, eh? Someone will attend to you. Your sister, she's inside. She's handling some palace issues.
Say no more.
My bad. My apologies, oh?
Say no more.
Sister go drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court.
It's okay.
Oh, okay.
It's okay.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Please, in case you need anything, just let me know, okay?
No problem. The only thing I would think I'll be needing now is your name.
Oh, my name is Flora.
Flora. Hi. You are beautiful, Flora.
Thank you. You're handsome too.
Me handsome? You don't need to tell me. I already know say I'm handsome. Everybody for this community knows say Bobo na handsome Bobo. See, I want to tell you something. Come. Sit down, let me tell you something.
Sit down.
No fear, sit down. What you dey fear for? See, Oh, no, wrong direction. Come this side. This sound not good. No fear. Even if I say me you enter my body, no your fear. I don't know say fine girl like this day for this palace. I forgot the consensus. No fear, hold me.
So who can see who will see?
Who be that? Even the Igwe, even if you see us, nothing dey happen. Have you forgotten that now my sister be the village barrister? My sister is the village barrister. So I'm covered, nothing dey. Even if Igwe not fit do anything. Hold me. Even if I say me you enter my body, enter. No, touch my hand, not touch. Hey. See, for this enjoyment to complete, I need music. You know, say if I dey drink like this now, the whole music go dey play, the thing go dey enter my head well.
My barrister, where is that spoon?
So, according to you agree that you deposited your sperm inside of her. But what you're saying is that you are not the only one. Am I correct?
You're correct.
Good. Then, take this. Have it. I want you to take her inside. Use this spoon and collect all your sperm from inside of her. Yes, all the sperm that you believe are yours, that you deposited inside of her, I want you to take them all out with this spoon. Then, you're free. Okay? You can go as a free man.
God! One.
Do it. I am sure you heard the barrister. Okay, go in there and remove your own sperm from her. Then you can go home free.
But you know it's not possible.
Same way it is impossible for you to have unprotected sex with a virgin, then deny the resultant pregnancy. So, go on. We're waiting.
Okay. Please, just give us 1 minute.
Take it easy. You know our condition.
This is too much. Too much. Barrister, Dada.
My king.
I am marveled at your intelligence and your wisdom.
Thank you, Your Highness.
May the gods of our ancestors bless you.
Your Majesty, we all can see the benefit of having the barrister back in the village, doing a community work for us.
You can say that again.
Yes. I can now see the benefit of having her around us. I've been hearing of her activism and wise judgment here and there. I never knew is this wonderful. I think I can now, rest, relax, while she goes about doing those things that were hectic for me. Dada, may the gods of our ancestors bless you.
Why are you doing this to me? Eh? Why are you frustrating me? I thought you said you love me.
Of course I do. But I no longer understand you.
Reduce your voice.
I no longer understand you. You got me pregnant and now you're trying to deny it. Are you serious? You're the only man I've ever slept with and you know it. I don't know why you're doing this.
But how could you even allow that to happen? Are you a small child? Are you a small girl? Don't you know how to take care of yourself after a simple sex?
Are you serious? It was my first time. I wasn't experienced. You're the only man I've ever slept with.
First time. And everything. Eh? Do you need to do it 100 times for you to have experience? First time I do have experience. Listen, whether it's your first time or not, go in there, tell that barrister that you are no longer pregnant. Yes, tell her. Let us just get out of here and get rid of that nonsense you're carrying there.
I should do what? No, what did you just say? I should do what? I should go in there and lie to the throne that I'm no longer pregnant. What are you even saying? Do you think they are kids? How on earth do you expect them to believe me? Huh? How do you expect them to believe me? See, I can see that you want to get me into trouble, but it will not work for you.
Nobody's putting you in any trouble. Okay, fine. Go there. Tell them that you have started seeing your period. Yes, tell them that the moment you walked in here, your menstruation started flowing. You see, they will believe you.
Okay, understood. It's now clear that you're mad. You've gone nuts. Yes, you are mad. Read my lips. You are mad. Nonsense.
Me mad? How am I mad? Nah.
Look at him. Walking slowly like an innocent man. Slow poison. And go out. Look at his eyes.
Have you carried out the assignment the barrister gave you?
Iken, why the silence? You can't talk again.
Talk again.
Huh? When you were doing it, I am sure you were mourning. Now you can't talk again. Okay, Dimba.
Were you there? Were you there to know if I was mourning or not? Were you there?
Ikenna, you moaned.
Really?
Yes, you were moaning. Even when I was in pain, you were still screaming and shouting my name. Chomi Wewo, Ewo, Chomi Kibio, Ewo.
You were here, man, or did you have a
Yes, I was mourning. I was mourning, Igwe, yes, I was mourning. I was mourning because I love her. Yes, I was mourning because she's a sweet girl. Unlike some men here, like Ishe Meze that never moaned in his entire life. Have you moaned before? Have you moaned? No, even you know, you think I don't know your plans? I know you people's plan. I know it. You people want me to deny my love so that you have access to her room every night with Mpanaka.
Igwe, you can hear him.
Am I lying? Oh, you think I don't know your plans? You people charmed me so that I will deny my unborn child, my wife to be, so that you people can now be penetrating her at your will. I'm not denying her again. That charm has left me. I'm no longer under your spell. Igwe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I denied her earlier. Biko, agoros me again. I love her.
Okay, let us get it very clearly. Are you now saying you are accepting the paternity of the pregnancy?
Igwe, how can I deny my unborn child and my beautiful wife? I was under a spell. The moment I went out, the spell left me. Biko, agoros me again. I'm not denying anymore. In fact, as we are living here, I'm going straight to her father's house to go and pick a date for our traditional marriage. And Igwe, please, you're highly invited. But when you're coming, please try and come alone. Don't come with all these elders that never moaned in their entire life.
Okay, now, thank you for the invitation. Well, I will sponsor your traditional marriage.
Igwe, you will? Thank you very much.
I can see the love flowing between the two of you.
Yes,
you were only denying that pregnancy because of your financial status.
You're right, Igwe. I love her. I truly love her. I truly love her, Igwe. You're right.
Okay. There's no problem. After the traditional marriage, I will give you 1 million naira to start a business.
What?
Igwe, me. Hey!
Igwe,
thank you. Hey,
you will leave this from 1 million naira.
Hey, Igwe, thank you.
What is going on here? Inukwa, clubbing in the palace. Who does that?
I'm sorry, Nemeka.
Now, Flora, I'm quite disappointed.
Please, Nemeka, I'm so sorry. You know, even a while I had fun. You know how it is in this palace. Please now.
Relax, why you fear? Why are you fear for? I better relax, my boy, yourself. Bear, you give me dance, they fear.
How can you ask me to relax? What if you report me to the Igwe? What will I do?
If you report it to the Igwe, then I will report him to the community barrister. Have you forgotten who I am? the only brother to the community barrister. Why in the fear? Sure? Relax, let's have fun.
Hello, detective. Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine. It's just my right eye. Don't worry, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. So, did you get any information about her? What? Wait. That she's fake. So she's not even a barrister. Oh my God. Do you know that she was crowned a barrister for the community, even by the king? Okay, see what is going to happen now. Just send the whole information to my WhatsApp. When I get home, I will look into it, then we'll know how to nail her and destroy her. Yes. Thank you. She's even fake. Fake barrister.
Okay?
Why did you?
Come on, will you shut up? How dare you walk into this palace to embarrass yourself? Why are you clubbing and dancing in the palace? It's a... Oh!
I came to see you. I came to see you. They say you are busy inside. I said, okay. Let me carry one fine maid and whole body. I shall wait for you.
Can you listen to your irresponsible self? Can you listen to yourself? Why are you a fool? What? Come. What is that bandage for?
Oh, this one. I had an accident.
Oh, really? You had an accident? Give it to me. You had an accident and you are still drinking. Are you okay? Pity yourself. Pity yourself and pity your mother. How is she?
Mama, she's fine. She sent her regards. She said I should greet you. Yes.
Hey, my friend, give it to me. Give it to me, you're very drunk. Now listen, don't you dare come here and embarrass me. Do you hear me? Keep your embarrassing behind at home. Don't come where I am well respected to come and show your foolishness and stupidity. Now get up. Get up and get out of here. Up! Don't touch me, you miserable thing. Out! My God, you even stink. Move!
My drink.
Which drink? I'll break this bottle on your head now. Move!
After all I've done for you, me embarrassment.
My friend, be fast. Just go.
I sacrificed my education, everything for you. Just to graduate.
Oh, stop lying to yourself. You were
now you are calling me embarrassed.
Move.
My
education. You were failing. You were a failure. Okay? Now move. Move.
A community barrister don't land. Everybody come and register your case. Gone are the days when we dey fear trouble. But this time around, now we dey look for case. Our community barrister don't land. problem don't finish here. If you then look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister go drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court. At the time you go know say we get barrister. Jay, this one now our own. Kabum kanyina. Barrister jebelilo na nyepukina zona. Your fight is our fight. Your trouble is our hala. This one now our own. Jay, our community barrister don't land. A problem don't finish here. If you then look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister go drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court. At the time you go know say we get barrister. A community barrister.
For this song, me I say the person who sing the song knows. Because once I hear that one, you know you are the
you carry it from mine. Because
who are you?
Now you be queen of my own.
God.
You know. Hey, I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright. I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright.
She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court. At the time you go know say we get barrister. Jay, this one now our own. Kabum kanyina. Barrister jebelilo na nyepukina zona. Your fight is our fight. Your trouble is our hala. This one now our own. Jay, our community.
She's not just speaking.
Boss, I don't think there is any point you wasting time in calling that idiot. I mean, if you ask me, I would suggest we get some policemen and arrest that idiot immediately.
Exactly. We have enough evidence against her. She's an imposter, a fake barrister. Let us jail her and continue our business.
Guys, calm down, okay? Just cool down. I'm a politician. I'm a wonderful politician. I know what to do. Okay? I know how to get her. I am going to milk her. She's in big money. I heard that she's been paid huge amount of money in that palace. Okay? So we are going to use information we have about her to milk her down. Still use information to blackmail her. Then we'll hit her so hard, we'll destroy her. Okay? Calm down. You see, our trap just caught a big fish. So let's go to somewhere, catch our fun. Let's go, come on.
She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court. At the time you go know say we get barrister. Jay, this one now our own. Kabum kanyina.
I swear, I don't miss this guy flexing. I miss this guy flexing so that the thing they make me mad. Since so come this village, I so corporate. We just wear corporate, they work like say we are normally na corporate men. I don't miss this guy flexing. One like a lie.
See, make I tell you, there is time for everything. You hear me, so? There is time for everything. I say make we do this one because today is Saturday. Make we not go take our hands, spoil job for ourselves. I don't understand.
That's true.
Eh? See, no only Saturdays, in short weekends, now we will flex. You understand? You still want drink?
But that's easy. No, but you talk for years. Before go drink again next Saturday. I go drink the one will carry me from now till next Saturday. I usually talk say still one drink. As I see these drinks, I go down. I know now. Yes, I will finish this one now. If you guys not taking, I'll carry another one. Even I say from the drink.
14 missed calls.
14 missed calls?
And I don't know the number.
This person.
Even if I hold the person kidney.
Even in my destiny, you collect from the person, he'll call you like this.
Imagine, I beg.
Yeah, we're not friends, but we can be friends. I mean, we can start to be friends, okay? Do things together then. We might still run the town together.
Listen. Na keke I carry come here. No be royal convoy. You know why? Because this conversation we won't get here na streets. Na street conversation. That is why I left royalty aside. Okay?
Where is my 10 million naira? So I didn't see you come with anybody.